Hello, my name is Charlie, and this is going to be my YouTube channel, and it's going to be called The Boy Who Learned, because I like learning, and I'm in grade 4, and can't pronounce my L's, and I live in Canada, so don't, say anything to me if I spell things different from American, or British, or whatever. And don't say things if I pronounce my L's terrible, which I do. I can't even pronounce them. See that. This YouTube channel is going to be about science and math, and it's going to be fun. I know it. This is my first ever YouTube channel, and I'm excited for it. So thanks for your support and actually watching.